Sitting your HSC this year? Approach it with confidence with our Year 12 Gateway Winter program. The program will support you to maximise your ATAR, feel prepared for university, and guide you through the Gateway Admission Pathway application to secure a place at UNSW. It's free, online, and flexibly delivered to fit in with your busy schedule. You'll focus on HSC preparation with subject-specific workshops and practice papers, and receive personalised feedback from HSC teachers and markers. Speak with current university students about their experiences at UNSW and explore university firsthand by attending our on-campus days during the school holidays. You can also receive exclusive academic support and tutoring in the lead up to your exams. We'll also provide you with the tools to craft a strong personal statement to apply for an early offer to UNSW through the Gateway Admission Pathway. The program is available to Year 12 students currently attending one of our Gateway schools or whose home address meets SAFER criteria. By joining the Gateway Winter program, you'll harness your strengths, feel more prepared for your exams, and meet other highly motivated Year 12 students. Make your journey to UNSW an easy one and register today through our website.